In this video, I am going to show you exactly how to clear your browsing history in Microsoft Edge to help protect your privacy and keep your browser running efficiently. Whether you want to remove a single recent site or wipe your entire history from the beginning of time, the process is quick and simple. To get started, open Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once the browser is active, move your cursor to the top right corner of the window and click on the three horizontal dots, which represents the Settings and More menu. From the drop-down list that appears, scroll down and click on Settings. On the Settings page, look at the sidebar on the left-hand side and select the tab labeled Privacy, Search, and Services. Now, scroll down the main section of the page until you find the heading that says Clear Browsing Data. Beside the option that says Clear Browsing Data Now, click on the blue button labeled Choose What to Clear. A pop-up window will appear with several options. First, click the drop-down menu under Time Range to select how much history you want to delete. You can choose from the last hour, the last 24 hours, the last 7 days, the last 4 weeks, or all time. Once you have selected your time range, ensure the checkbox next to Browsing History is ticked. You can also choose to check or uncheck other boxes like Download History, Cookies, and Cached Images, depending on your preference. After you have made your selections, click the Clear Now button at the bottom of the window. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more straightforward tech guides. If there is a specific topic or app you would like me to cover in a future video, please let me know in the comments below.